Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare linear versus mechanical keyboards. Linear switches provide a smooth, uninterrupted press, ideal for rapid, repetitive keystrokes. There's no tactile feedback or click, making them quieter, which is great for shared spaces. Actuation forces typically fall between 45 and 60 grams, offering a light touch. Think of popular options like Cherry MX Red or Gaterin Yellow for a consistent typing experience. Mechanical keyboards offer incredible variety beyond just linear. Tactile switches, like Cherry MX Brown, give you a satisfying bump to confirm actuation without a loud click. Clicky switches, such as Cherry MX Blue, provide both that tactile bump and a distinct audible click, often preferred by typists who enjoy the auditory feedback. Actuation forces can range from a light 35 grams to a heavier 80 grams, catering to diverse preferences. When it comes to performance, linear switches are often the go-to for gamers due to their smooth, unimpeded travel, allowing for rapid double taps. Typists, however, frequently gravitate towards tactile or clicky switches, as the feedback can enhance accuracy and reduce errors. While linear switches might offer a marginally shorter debounce time, the ultimate better choice truly hinges on your individual typing style and what feels most comfortable and efficient for you. So, which is better for you? Consider your main activities. Are you primarily gaming, typing long documents, or a mix of both? Think about your environment and sound preference. Do you need quiet operation, or do you enjoy the auditory feedback of a clicky switch? The best advice is to try out different switch types if you can. Ultimately, there isn't a universally superior option. The ideal keyboard is the one that perfectly suits your unique needs and preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.